Welcome back, nature explorers. In today's episode, we'll be delving into the intriguing world of possums. Well, Australian possums. North American opossums will be another video up here, eventually. Often misunderstood, these unique creatures have some amazing characteristics and behaviors I can't wait to share with you. So let's jump right in. Howdy, I'm just some random nude dude sitting in my closet talking to myself. It's also where I celebrate the power of free thinking and encourage bold ideas. As a society, we're often afraid to challenge the norms and think outside the box. But here, I embrace the unconventional, like glorifying possums. So sit back, relax, and join me on this journey of exploration, where we embrace our inner nude dude and push boundaries to discover new possum perspectives. Today, we're shining the spotlight on an often misunderstood and intriguing creature, possums. These unique marsupials have adapted to a variety of environments and possess remarkable characteristics that make them truly fascinating. Join me today as we delve into the world of possums, uncovering their behaviors, ecological roles, and the conservation efforts aimed at preserving their existence. Possums, often referred to as opossums in North America, are marsupials known for their diverse species and intriguing behaviors. While they may be mistakenly perceived as pests or nuisances, these remarkable creatures are an integral part of our ecosystem, contributing to the delicate balance of nature. Today we'll embark on an in-depth exploration of possums, starting with their physical characteristics and evolutionary adaptations. We'll then delve into their foraging habits, nocturnal lifestyle, nesting behaviors, and their vital role in maintaining ecosystem balance. Along the way, we'll also discover the challenges they face in their interactions with humans and the conservation methods aimed at ensuring their survival. So get ready to unlock the secrets of possums as we journey into their world, filled with unique traits, survival strategies, and a profound impact on the ecosystems they call home. Let's unravel the mysteries of possums together and gain a deeper appreciation for these extraordinary creatures. Welcome to the wild, wonderful world of possums. Just as full disclosure, I have an opossum living in my backyard, and we value and treasure him. Or her, not really sure. Before we delve into the fascinating details, let's introduce you to possums. Possums are marsupials native to Australia and surrounding regions, and they belong to the family Phalangeridae. While they may share resemblances to opossums found in North and South America, they are distinct creatures with their own unique characteristics. There are over 70 different species of possums, each with its own adaptations and quirks. Let's explore some of the fascinating diversity among possums. Possums come in various sizes, ranging from small ones that can fit in the palm of your hand to larger ones that can weigh up to 7 kilos, 15 pounds for those of you in America. Their physical appearances can vary greatly among species. Some possums have fluffy fur, while others have sleek coats. Certain species have striking patterns and colors, such as the sugar gliders with their gliding membrane. Possums have adapted to a wide range of habitats, from rainforests and woodlands to urban areas, like my backyard. They are primarily found in Australia, but some species also inhabit New Guinea, Sulawesi, and nearby islands. The different species have specialized adaptations that allow them to thrive in their specific habitats. Possums occupy various ecological niches within their environments. Some species are tree-dwelling, spending most of their lives in the forest canopy. They have strong grasping abilities and sharp claws that enable them to climb trees with agility. Other possums are ground dwellers, foraging on the forest floor and utilizing burrows and other shelters. Possums display a wide range of social behaviors. Some species are solitary, leading solitary lives and defending their territories from others of the same species. Others form small family groups or colonies, exhibiting cooperative behaviors and sharing resources. Possums communicate through various vocalizations, including hisses, clicks, barks, and screeches. These vocalizations serve different purposes, such as establishing territory, attracting mates, and warning others of potential threats. Some species also use scent marking as a means of communication. I have a video here about dog communication, which may overlap a little. As you can see, possums are a diverse group of marsupials with fascinating adaptations and behaviors. Understanding their unique characteristics is essential for appreciating their important role in the ecosystems they inhabit. Now that we've met the possums and explored their incredible diversity, let's move on to discover their remarkable adaptations and physical features. Possums have evolved remarkable adaptations and physical features that enable them to thrive in their respective environments. Let's explore some of these fascinating traits. One of the most distinctive features of many possum species is their prehensile tails. These tails are specialized for grasping and can function like an extra hand. Possums use their tails to hang from branches, maintain balance while climbing, and carry materials for constructing their nests. The tails are muscular and highly flexible, providing possums with exceptional agility in arboreal settings. Possums possess opposable thumbs on their hind feet similar to primates, so they could give this video a thumbs up. This unique adaptation enhances their climbing abilities by allowing them to grip and grasp branches securely. The thumbs, combined with their sharp claws, enable possums to maneuver effortlessly through the treetops and navigate complex environments. Possums have highly sensitive hands and feet, equipped with touch receptors. These sensitive pads help them detect textures and vibrations, aiding in their ability to find food and navigate their surroundings. The tactile sensitivity allows possums to locate and manipulate food items, such as fruits and leaves, with precision. As predominantly nocturnal animals, possums have adapted to low light conditions. They possess large eyes with a specialized layer of cells called the tapetum lucidum, which enhances their night vision. This layer reflects light back through the retina, maximizing their ability to gather and process available light. It gives their eyes a distinctive greenish or yellowish eye shine when illuminated at night. Many possum species exhibit camouflage or cryptic colorization, which allows them to blend in with their surroundings. Their fur coloration, ranging from shades of brown, gray, and black, often matches the tree bark or foliage, making it difficult for predators to spot them. This adaptation provides them with protection and increases their chance of survival in the wild. Possums have a unique defense mechanism called playing possum or playing dead. When threatened or cornered, they enter a state of shock, appearing lifeless. This behavior involves becoming limp, closing their eyes, and emitting a foul odor, which makes them unappealing to predators. This clever act often deters potential threats, as predators may lose interest and move on, believing the possum to be dead. Possums' adaptations and physical features have allowed them to thrive in diverse environments and navigate their ecological niches with ease. These remarkable characteristics contribute to their survival and make them fascinating creatures to study. Next, we'll delve into the dietary habits and foraging strategies of possums, uncovering their versatile and adaptive eating behaviors. Possums are highly adaptive omnivores, meaning they have a diverse diet and can consume a wide range of food sources. Let's explore their dietary habits and foraging strategies. Possums primarily feed on fruits, including berries, figs, and various tree fruits. They play an essential role in the dispersal of seeds by consuming fruits and excreting the seeds in different locations. This helps the regeneration and diversity of plant species in their habitat. Additionally, possums consume leaves, flowers, buds, and nectar from a variety of plants, contributing to pollination and vegetation maintenance. Possums are opportunistic feeders and readily consume insects and other invertebrates. They actively hunt for beetles, spiders, caterpillars, snails, and various arthropods. Insects provide an additional source of protein and nutrients to their diet, supplementing their plant-based nutrition. Possums are known to opportunistically prey on small vertebrates, such as birds' eggs, nestlings, and small mammals like mice or rats. While this behavior is less common among possums, some species have been observed exhibiting carnivorous tendencies, particularly when other food sources are scarce. Possums are not picky eaters and will scavenge on carrion, dead animals, if the opportunity arises. They play a role in cleaning up the environment by consuming animal remains, helping to prevent the spread of disease and maintaining ecological balance. Possums exhibit dietary flexibility and can adjust their eating habits based on the seasonal changes and food availability. Their ability to switch between different food sources allows them to adapt to fluctuations in the environment and ensures their survival during challenging times. Possums employ various foraging strategies depending on their habitat and the type of food they seek. Tree-dwelling possums are agile climbers using their prehensile tails and opposable thumbs to navigate branches and collect fruits, leaves, and flowers. Ground-dwelling possums forage on the forest floor, searching for insects, fallen fruit, and vegetation. Possums' diverse diet and foraging habits make them important contributors to the ecosystem. They assist in seed dispersal, pollination, pest control, and nutrient recycling. Their adaptable nature and ability to utilize different food sources highlight their resilience in various environments. Next, we'll explore the nocturnal lifestyle of possums and uncover the secrets of their nighttime activities. Possums are primarily nocturnal creatures, meaning they are most active during the night. Let's dive into their fascinating nocturnal lifestyle and explore the behaviors and adaptations that enable them to thrive in the darkness. Possums have several adaptations, making them well suited for nocturnal life. Their large eyes, equipped with a specialized layer called the tapetum lucidum, enhance their night vision by reflecting and amplifying available light. This allows them to navigate their surroundings, locate food sources, and detect potential predators more effectively in low-light conditions. Being nocturnal hunters, possums have evolved to move silently and stealthily through their environment. Their light, agile bodies combined with their padded feet allow them to maneuver quietly, avoiding unnecessary noise that could alert potential prey or predators. During the night, possums actively forage for food. They use their keen sense of smell and excellent night vision to locate and capture prey. While some species primarily feed on fruits, leaves, and insects, others may exhibit more carnivorous tendencies and hunt small vertebrates like mice or birds' eggs. By adopting a nocturnal lifestyle, possums avoid direct competition with diurnal, daytime active animals. This allows them to occupy ecological niches without overlapping with other species that have different activity patterns and resource requirements. Nocturnal behavior provides possums with access to food sources and habitats that might be less accessible or more contested during the day. During the day, possums seek shelter in nests or dens to rest and protect themselves from predators. Tree-dwelling species often construct nests in tree hollows and use the abandoned nests of birds or other animals. Ground-dwelling possums may create burrows or utilize natural crevices for dens or shelters. These secluded retreats provide safety and insulation for possums during daylight hours. Possums communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations, especially during their nocturnal activities. They emit hisses, growls, barks, and screeches to establish territories, attract mates, or warn off potential threats. These vocal signals help maintain social structures and minimize conflicts between individuals. The nocturnal lifestyle of possums is an adaptation that allows them to exploit the resources and ecological niches available during the night. By being active during these hours, they have evolved specialized senses and behaviors to optimize their survival and success in their respective habitats. Next, we'll delve into the fascinating world of possum reproduction, nesting habits, and the remarkable journey of their young joeys. Possums, like many other animals, have varying lifespans depending on such factors such as species, habitat, and environmental conditions. Generally, possums have a relatively short lifespan compared to larger mammals. However, it's important to note the lifespan can vary significantly between different possum species. On average, possums typically live for about 2 to 4 years in the wild. However, some larger species, such as the bushtail possum, can live up to 10 years or more if they have access to favorable conditions and limited threats. The lifespan of possums is influenced by several factors, including predation, habitat quality, availability of food and water, and the presence of diseases. Predators such as owls, foxes, and large snakes pose a threat to possums, reducing their average lifespan. Additionally, habitat destruction and fragmentation can impact their ability to find suitable resources and increase their vulnerability to external pressures. Possums have unique reproductive strategies and fascinating nesting habits. Let's explore their reproductive journey and the remarkable development of their young joeys. Possums have a seasonal breeding pattern, with specific times of the year designated for mating. The exact timing varies among species and is influenced by factors such as food availability and environmental conditions. During the breeding season, male possums engage in competition and territorial displays to attract females. One of the most distinctive features of female possums is their specialized pouches. These pouches, located on their bellies, serve as a nurturing environment for their young, called joeys. The pouches are lined with fur and contain mammary glands that provide nourishment to the developing joeys. After mating, female possums exhibit a short gestation period, typically ranging from 16 to 18 days. The extremely short gestation is followed by the birth of relatively underdeveloped joeys. These tiny joeys, blind and hairless, climb into their mother's pouch, where they attach themselves to a nipple and continue their development. Inside the pouch, the joeys receive warmth, protection, and nourishment. They continue to develop, growing fur, opening their eyes, and gradually becoming more independent. The mother possum provides essential care and nourishment to her joeys, ensuring their survival and growth. After a period of pouch care, the joeys gradually start to venture outside the pouch. However, they may continue to return to the safety and comfort of the pouch for rest and nourishment until they are fully weaned. The pouch weaning process varies among species, but typically occurs after a few months. Once weaned, the young possums become more independent and start exploring their surroundings. Possums reach sexual maturity at different ages depending on their species, typically ranging from 1 to 2 years. Once mature, they can engage in the breeding cycle and continue the next generation of possums. The reproductive journey of possums, from mating to the nurturing of their young in specialized pouches, showcases the remarkable adaptations and life cycle of these marsupials. The process ensures the survival and growth of their offspring in diverse and sometimes challenging environments. Understanding the lifespan and reproductive patterns of possums provides valuable insights into their life history and population dynamics. By studying these aspects, researchers and conservationists can better understand the health of possum populations and implement appropriate conservation strategies to ensure their long-term survival. Next, we'll explore the crucial role that possums play in their ecosystems and how they contribute to the balance of nature. Possums play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. Let's delve into their ecological significance and the ways in which they contribute to the overall health and functioning of their habitats. Possums are important seed dispersers. They feed on fruits and consume various plant materials. they inadvertently ingest seeds. These seeds pass through their digestive system and are dispersed in different locations through their feces. This process helps the regeneration and spread of plant species, contributing to the diversity and sustainability of the ecosystem. Certain possum species, such as sugar gliders, play a role in pollination. While foraging for nectar, they come into contact with the reproductive structures of flowers and carry pollen from one flower to another. This promotes cross-pollination, allowing plants to reproduce, set seeds, and maintain genetic diversity within their populations. Possums help control pest populations by consuming insects, spiders, and other invertebrates. Their diet includes various pests that can have negative impacts on agricultural crops, forests, and human settlements. By regulating the population of these pests, possums contribute to the overall health and productivity of ecosystems. Possums contribute to nutrient cycling in their habitats. As omnivores, they consume a wide range of plants and animal matter. Through their feeding activities and subsequent excretion, they return nutrients to the soil, enriching it and facilitating the growth of vegetation. This nutrient recycling process is vital for sustaining healthy ecosystems. Possums serve as a food source for several predators within their ecosystems. Their presence provides sustenance for larger carnivores, such as owls, foxes, and snakes. By occupying this position in the food chain, possums help maintain predator-prey dynamics and support the overall biodiversity of their habitats. Possums, especially tree-dwelling species, influence their habitat by modifying tree hollows and creating nesting sites. Their presence and activity contribute to the availability of suitable shelters for other animals, including birds, reptiles, and small mammals. This demonstrates the interconnectedness of species and the important role possums play in providing habitat resources. By fulfilling these ecological roles, possums contribute to the resilience and stability of their ecosystems. Their activities shape the distribution of plant species, maintain pollination processes, regulate pest populations, and support the intricate web of life within their habitats. It's clear that these unique marsupials are integral to the functioning of their ecosystems, highlighting the importance of preserving their habitats and ensuring their survival. Possums face various challenges in their interactions with humans, but there are also conservation efforts aimed at protecting these fascinating creatures. Now we'll explore the importance of conservation and the ways in which individuals and communities can contribute to possum preservation. Host one in your backyard. Possum populations are impacted by habitat loss and fragmentation caused by human activities such as deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural expansion. These changes disrupt their natural habitats and limit their access to food and shelter. Additionally, possums may face threats from road accidents, predation by domestic pets, and the use of pesticides and traps. To protect possums and ensure their long-term survival, conservation efforts have been implemented. These efforts involve creating protected areas, establishing wildlife corridors, and promoting sustainable land management practices. Conservation organizations work towards raising awareness, conducting research, and implementing strategies to mitigate threats possums face. Nest box programs have been developed to provide alternative shelter options for possums, especially in areas where tree hollows are scarce. These artificial nesting sites mimic natural hollows and offer safe havens for possums to rest, breed, and raise their young. Installing nest boxes in suitable locations can help support possum populations and mitigate the impact of habitat loss. Education plays a vital role in possum conservation. By raising awareness about the importance of these creatures and their ecological roles, individuals can foster a greater appreciation for possums and their habitats. Educational programs, nature centers, and community outreach initiatives help inform people about possum behavior, conservation challenges, and the actions they can take to support possum preservation. As possums often encounter domestic pets, responsible pet ownership is crucial. Keeping cats indoors or securely contained and supervising dogs during outdoor activities can reduce predation on possums and minimize potential conflicts between pets and wildlife. Providing safe spaces for possums to navigate without undue stress is vital for their well-being. We don't typically let our dogs out in the evening when the possums are active. Planting native trees, shrubs, and flowers in gardens and green spaces can benefit possums by providing them with food sources and creating habitat corridors. Native vegetation offers a diverse range of fruits, leaves, and nectar that possums rely on for sustenance. These plantings also support a broader array of wildlife and contribute to overall ecosystem health. By embracing conservation efforts and adapting positive practices, we can promote coexistence with possums and ensure their continued presence in our natural environments. The conservation of possums is a collective responsibility. By preserving their habitats, reducing human-wildlife conflicts, and raising awareness about their ecological significance, we can safeguard these remarkable creatures and contribute to the overall conservation and biodiversity. Remember to support your local conservation organizations and make a positive impact in your own communities. Together, we can make a difference in the lives of possums and the future of our planet. Possums are unique and valuable creatures that play an essential role in their ecosystems. From their diverse diet and foraging habits to their nocturnal lifestyles, nesting behaviors, and contributions to ecosystem balance, possums have captivated us with their fascinating adaptations and ecological significance. However, possums also face numerous challenges in their interactions with humans. Habitat loss, road accidents, predation, and the use of pesticides are just some of the threats they encounter. To ensure the long-term survival of possums, conservation efforts are crucial. Conservation methods such as creating protected areas, establishing wildlife corridors, and promoting sustainable land management practices are essential steps in preserving possum habitats. Nest box programs provide alternate shelter options. Education and awareness campaigns foster appreciation for possums. Responsible pet ownership reduces conflicts, and planting native vegetation supports their food sources and habitats. By actively participating in conservation initiatives and making environmentally conscious choices, we can contribute to the well-being of possums and the overall preservation of biodiversity. Each individual action, no matter how small, has the potential to make a positive impact. So let's embrace the responsibility of being stewards of the natural world. Let's appreciate the unique qualities of possums and the intricate web of life that they are part of. Together, we can create a harmonious coexistence between humans and possums, ensuring that future generations will have the opportunity to admire and learn from these remarkable marsupials. Thanks for joining me on this journey to explore the world of possums and discover the importance of their conservation. Let's continue to champion their cause and protect the diversity and beauty of our planet for generations to come. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found this video informative and thought-provoking, and I hope you adopt a possum in your backyard. This is the point at which others tell you, if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, like the possums can, and consider subscribing for more content just like this. But we all know that kind of thing is for losers. Don't be a loser. And as always, I welcome your feedback and ideas for future videos in the comments section below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep embracing your inner nude, dude.